This thing's been sitting way too long.
Yeah, but it's still a Chiron. Slow, keep it straight.
Got it, she's heavy.
Just rinse in the dirt first. Don't touch the rust yet.
Yeah, we need to see what's real metal and what's just filth.
There it is, solid metal underneath.
Good. That panel's worth saving. This'll lock it down.
Yeah, last thing we want is rust coming back. If we prep it right, the paint will sit perfect.
Yeah. The finish always shows the prep. All right, power first.
Yep. Same order as always.
This stuff's ancient. Yeah, good thing we didn't try starting it.
Come on.
There it is.
Man, this feels brand new.
Yeah, hard to believe how it started.
Worth every hour.
Feels right.
Yeah, it really does.